Exercise 2.7 question number 1. Integrate with respect to x 1 divided by 9 minus 16x square. Solution. Given integral. So we have the formula integral of 1 by a square minus x square dx is equal to 1 by 2a log of a plus x by a minus x plus c. So here given question is in the form of denominator a square minus x square form. We have to modify this term into a square minus x square format. Here is the formula. Here given question 9 minus 16x square. This 9 is written as a square format, that is a square format means that 9 is written as 3 square. Here x square format, this 16x square can be written as a whole square of 4x the whole square. So x square format. So given question written in the format of the given formula, we have to write the given function as in the form of formula. So we have to make the given function to the formula pattern. So 1 by a square minus x square dx. Here look at the question. Integral of 1 divided by a square minus x square format. So here a is equal to 3, x is equal to 4x. X is equal to 4x. Here look at the condition, x is equal to 4x. Now integration formula. After writing this function as in the form of function formula, 1 by a square minus x square, the formula is 1 by 2a log of a plus x by a minus x plus c. Here 1 by 2a, what is a? 3 log of a plus x. What is a? A is 3 plus x. X is 4x and a minus x, that is 3 minus 4x plus c. Here modulus. Always log function is in modulus, and then one more 4. Why do you write here 4? So look at the coefficient. What is the coefficient? That is 4x. Differentiate this 4x. That is answer 4. So this could be divided by the function. So given answer divided by this differentiation, whatever the function here, 4x, that is the coefficient of x must be here because it is linear function. This linear function may be differentiating. After differentiation it should be denominator. So x coefficient written here. So 1 by 4, 4 is the coefficient of x. 1 by 2a log of a plus x by a minus x and then modulus plus c. Here 2 into 3, 6 into 4, 24. So 1 by 24 log of 3 plus 4x by 3 minus 4x plus c. Now let us go to the sum number 3. Integrate with respect to x 1 divided by 2x square minus 9. So given function. So we have the formula. Here integral of 1 by x square minus a square dx. It is the formula 1 by 2a log of x minus a by x plus a plus c. So here is modulus, and then so given formula. Given function can be written using this idea, that is denominator. Look at the denominator x square minus a square. This function also can be written as in the form of x square minus a square. Here 2x whole square can be written as a whole square. Root 2x whole square. When you are squaring, root 2 square is 2, x square x square. So 2x square can be written as a whole square format, that is root 2x whole square minus 9. 9 is a square. What is the square? 3 square is a 9. So function can be written as in the form of formula pattern. Integral of 1 divided by x square minus a square dx. So formula 1 by 2a log of modulus 1 x minus a by x plus a. Here look at the function 1 by 2a. What is a? 3 log of modulus x minus a. What is x? Root 2x minus a. A is 3 and x plus a. What is x? Root 2x. What is a? That is 3 plus c. So here look at the denominator. It is the coefficient of x. What is the coefficient of x? Root 2. This root 2 can be written on the denominator. So that's all. Next 2 into 3, 6 into root 2. 1 divided by 6 root 2 log of modulus root 2 x minus 3 divided by root 2 x plus 3 plus c. That's all.